Dear user, today we are going to do the unboxing of STEMCity Defender Kit. So let's open the STEMCity Defender Kit. This kit is well packed. So here there is a QR code for the curriculum and building manuals. So the kit is consist with the two parts. This is the top one and this one is the bottom one. So let's explore part by part. So here we have the controller. This is the powerful controller which is consist with the DC jack. There is a USB from where we have to insert the program. This is the DC jack where we can charge it. There is a 4 motor ports M1, M2, M3, M4. It's already written. There are 5 sensor port P1, P2, P3, P4. It's already written. And there is a P5. This P5 is for the AI camera module. These are the multiple connector packs. There is a rechargeable battery on the bottom and side. Now let's on. So this is the touch screen manual. There are 2 programs. There are 2 blocks. Now come to the next part. The kit is having 2 motors. These are the 2 beautiful motors and there is a 2 side connectors. After that, sensors. So the kit is having the 4 sensors. This is LED lamp. This one is the touch sensor. So the kit is well packed. The sensors are well packed. There are 2 photoelectric sensor. This one is the photoelectric sensor. This one is the second photoelectric sensor. They are connector packs, so that's why it can easily connect. Along with the kit, there are some axles. These are the axles. This one is the gears as well as the half bush. There is a L-shaped connector packs. There are full bush, pulley, clamps. There is a knob gear. Now go to the bottom part. In the bottom part, we have the motors. We have the wheels. These are the 2 different types of wheels. The first one is the wide one and second one is the narrow. After that we have the connector packs. So this connector pack is consist with the generally 2 color, black and blue. The black one is for the 2 module and the blue one is for 3 module. These are the angular beams. They are T-shaped beam. There is a double angular beam. There are knob gears also. This one is again the gear pack. There is a bevel gear and there is a axle head connector pack. There is a half beam also. These are the different kinds of beam. There are different sizes. These are the tread wheels where we would like to make tanks. So for that we need this kind of wheels. We have the angular beam also. We have the small L. We have the frame also. They are big frames and there is some miscellaneous and rubber band where we can use some kinetic energy concept. This is having the turntable. There is a 3 module beam also. There is a frictionless connector pack. And for this is the connecting cables for the sensors. This one is the USB programming cable. So after assembling all the kit will be look like this. There are different compartments. In the compartments where we have placed the connector packs, axles, gears, half bush and full bush. There is a beams, angular beams. We have to arrange the kit like this. While connecting the threads, it is going to become like this, where we can use as a tank, and it's easily connected. It is going to be connected like this. It's easily connected. And it can easily disassemble like this. So in next video, we'll make a small robot with the help of this kit, and let's see how it looks like. Thank you.